Hey, what's up, guys? If you're into cybersecurity or hacking, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into OSINT, open source intelligence, where you collect and analyze public info to build intelligence. In 2026, OSINT tools are more critical than ever for mapping networks, uncovering vulnerabilities, and staying ahead of threats. Whether you want to secure your environment or think like a hacker, these tools are essential. Let's jump right into the top 10 OSINT tools hackers love in 2026. Let's kick things off with Maltego, a powerhouse tool that's become a staple in the world of digital investigations and cybersecurity. Whether you're a seasoned analyst or just starting out, Maltego's reputation precedes it. Often called the Swiss Army knife of data mining and link analysis, Maltego stands out for its versatility and depth. It's not just another tool, it's a complete platform for uncovering hidden connections. Investigators, journalists, and security professionals use Maltego to map out complex webs of relationships between people, organizations, domains, and even infrastructure. It's like having a digital detective's magnifying glass, revealing patterns that would otherwise stay buried. Its intuitive visual interface lets you start with a single clue, maybe an email address, a domain, or a phone number, and then watch as connections unfold across the web, sometimes in ways you never expected. You can expand nodes, drill into the tiniest details, and see new connections appear in real time. Each click can reveal a new layer of information, helping you follow digital trails wherever they lead. Maltego integrates seamlessly with hundreds of data sources, everything from social media and DNS records to breach databases and public records. This means you can pivot from one detail to another, building a comprehensive picture without ever leaving the platform. For security pros, threat hunters, and researchers, Maltego is invaluable. It turns scattered, seemingly unrelated data into actionable intelligence, making it possible to spot threats, track adversaries, or uncover fraud. The interactive graphs aren't just visually impressive, they're powerful tools for revealing hidden networks, relationships, and even potential vulnerabilities that might otherwise go unnoticed. With a growing library of plugins and more automation features than ever before, Maltego continues to evolve in 2026. It adapts to new threats and data sources, ensuring you always have the latest tools at your fingertips. If you're serious about OSINT, open source intelligence, Maltego is a must-have in your toolkit. It's trusted by professionals worldwide for a reason. In short, Maltego is the go-to solution for transforming raw data into meaningful, actionable intelligence, helping you see the bigger picture and make smarter decisions. Next up is Shodan, often called the search engine for the Internet of Things. But Shodan is much more than just a search engine. It's a powerful tool that lets you peer into the hidden corners of the internet, revealing devices and systems that most people never realize are online. Unlike Google, which indexes websites and web pages, Shodan indexes internet-connected devices. Everything from security cameras and baby monitors to industrial control systems, smart TVs, and even traffic lights. It's like a map of the world's digital infrastructure, showing what's exposed and where. With just a few keystrokes, you can search for exposed cameras, vulnerable servers, or even gas station pumps, all from a simple search bar. Shodan's results can be both fascinating and alarming, revealing just how much of our world is connected, and sometimes how little of it is secured. Security professionals and ethical hackers use Shodan every day to discover exposed assets, misconfigurations, and potential vulnerabilities before attackers can exploit them. It's an essential resource for penetration testers, network defenders, and anyone serious about cybersecurity. Shodan offers powerful filtering options, letting you narrow your search by device type, operating system, geographic location, or even specific open ports. This makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for, whether you're tracking down a rogue device or mapping out an organization's attack surface. In 2026, Shodan's database is bigger than ever, indexing billions of devices in real time. The sheer scale of information available is staggering, and it continues to grow as more devices come online every day. But with great power comes great responsibility. Remember, always use Shodan ethically and legally. Accessing or tampering with devices you don't own is illegal and can have serious consequences. Shodan is a tool for awareness and defense, not for exploitation. If Shodan isn't already in your cybersecurity toolkit, you're missing out on one of the most valuable resources for understanding and protecting the modern digital landscape. SpiderFoot is a powerful tool designed to automate the process of open source intelligence, or OSINT, at a scale that was once unimaginable. Whether you're a cybersecurity professional, a penetration tester, or just someone curious about digital footprints, SpiderFoot streamlines the entire process, saving you countless hours of manual research. Simply feed SpiderFoot a domain, IP address, hostname, or even a person's name, and it will automatically scan dozens, sometimes hundreds, of open sources across the internet. It compiles a comprehensive report uncovering emails, subdomains, breached credentials, social media profiles, and much more, all in a matter of minutes. Thanks to its modular design, SpiderFoot lets you tailor your investigations with hundreds of data source modules. You can pick and choose which modules to run, focusing on the information that matters most to your case or organization. The intuitive dashboard presents findings in clear, interactive graphs and tables, making it easy to spot trends, connections, and potential threats. Even complex data becomes manageable and actionable. With SpiderFoot, you can schedule automated scans to run at regular intervals, generate detailed reports with a single click, and seamlessly integrate results with SIEM systems or threat intelligence platforms for a unified security workflow. As of 2026, SpiderFoot's automation capabilities have reached new heights, making large-scale reconnaissance and monitoring more efficient and reliable than ever before. It's trusted by organizations worldwide for its speed and accuracy. By automating tedious data gathering tasks, SpiderFoot frees up your time so you can focus on analysis and decision-making. What used to take hours or even days can now be accomplished in just a few clicks. Think of SpiderFoot as your digital bloodhound for OSINT, relentlessly tracking down data trails and uncovering hidden connections so you never miss a critical detail in your investigations. TheHarvester is a staple for gathering emails, subdomains, hosts, and open ports from public sources. Just input a domain, and it quickly scrapes data from search engines, social media, and archives. TheHarvester's simplicity and speed make it perfect for quick reconnaissance or deeper dives. In 2026, it integrates with new search engines and APIs for even better results. For penetration testers, it's a go-to for the initial stages of an engagement. Lightweight, fast, and effective, TheHarvester belongs in every OSINT arsenal. Recon-ng is a modular web reconnaissance framework. Think Metasploit for OSINT. Create a workspace, add modules for domains, social media, or metadata, and automate your workflow. You can script custom modules in Python and integrate with other tools and APIs. The active community keeps Recon-ng updated with new modules for the latest sources. It's flexible, extensible, and grows with your needs. If you want a framework that adapts to any OSINT challenge, master Recon-ng. FOCA extracts metadata from documents, PDFs, Word files, PowerPoints, often left online by companies. It scans websites for files, then pulls out author names, software versions, and even internal IPs. Metadata can be a goldmine for attackers or security teams looking to plug leaks. In 2026, FOCA adds AI-powered recommendations to help organizations clean up exposures. If you care about privacy or want an edge in Recon, FOCA is a must-have. The OSINT framework is your mega directory of hundreds of OSINT resources, organized by category and investigation type. Whether you're tracing IPs, analyzing social media, or digging into public records, it's all here in a simple tree structure. Updated daily by a passionate community, it's the most current and comprehensive index out there. Beginners and pros alike use it to discover new tools and sources. If one tool isn't working, pivot to another in seconds. Bookmark the OSINT framework. It's your cyber investigator's cheat sheet. Google Dorks isn't a tool, but a technique, using advanced search queries to uncover sensitive data indexed by Google. Find exposed databases, login portals, confidential docs, and more with the right search operators. For example, Filetype PDF sitecompany.com reveals every PDF a company has online. In 2026, Google Dorking is smarter, but you need to keep your queries up to date. Ethically, just because you find something doesn't mean you should access it. Mastering Google Dorks is essential for any serious OSINT investigator. The Social Engineer Toolkit, or SET, targets the human element, automating social engineering attacks for penetration testing. Craft phishing emails, clone websites, and automate campaigns to test employee awareness. In 2026, SET uses AI-driven templates and smart payloads that adapt to targets in real time. It exposes weaknesses in user awareness and reminds us that training is as important as tech defenses. If you're into red teaming or want to understand the human side of security, SET is a must-learn. Creepy pulls geolocation data from social media to map where people have posted from. It aggregates geotagged photos, status updates, and check-ins to build a timeline of movements. Security pros use Creepy to show how much info we give away online. The 2026 version supports new platforms and advanced visualization. Export timelines, see heat maps, and set alerts. Geolocation data is sensitive, so privacy awareness is crucial. Creepy is a powerful reminder of the risks and power of public data. That's a wrap on the top 10 OSINT tools hackers love in 2026. These tools are powerful. Use them ethically and within the law. What's your favorite OSINT tool? Did I miss any new ones for 2026? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more deep dives into cybersecurity and hacking.